Mapagpalang araw po sa atin lahat. Yun ang una na yan, yun yung kasama ko na makulit, sumama pa, nagpunta ako ng napakalayong market kasi naklusan yung market dyan, renovate nila. So, pupunta ako ng Chongbaro Market. Ang layo na ng linakad ko, sumama pa siya. Ayan siya, oh, paika-ika na naglalakad, guys. Puti na lang ang buhok niya. Ayan, pupunta kami ng Chongbaro Market kasi kailangan kong bumili ng prawn, isda na lulutuin para sa dinner mamayang gabi. Malayo kaya dito yung bahay na tinitirhan ko, linalakad ko lang. Ayan. Nahayaan ko siya na mag-exercise. Ito po yung aking bisita, kapatid ng amo kong lalaki na galing ng New Zealand. Puti na lahat ng buhok niya. Ito po ay dalaga pa, available pa. Ayan. Po, ang Singapore, Chongbaro. Iniwan na niya ako kasi nag-video ako ng pang-short video ko na yung sa building. Ayan. Good morning. Late na. Kasi ang layo tong pinuntan namin. Plus yung pinagmamarketan ko na near sa place na tinitirhan ko, guys. So, ito yung second way na pupunta na medyo malayo dito, Chongbaro Market, Singapore. Ayan. Lakad-lakad para maka-exercise kasi pwede naman kaming sumakay ng bus pero hindi ko dala yung bus card ko. Pero mamaya pag-uwi, hindi na ito makakalakad. Kaya need kong isakay sa bus. Gagamit na lang ako ng coins mamaya. Yan. Pasensya na kayo, umuga-uga yung kamay ko kasi naglalakad. Auntie, this way? This way? There? Yan. Now later on, just the 122, the one we sit, and then we stop to Gananseng School later on. Ayan, guys. Dito na kami sa Chongbaro. Pero malayo-layo pa yung lalakarin namin. Ayan. Wait, don't go first. It's not yet green. Yan po ang inang Singapore. Pasensya na po. Malikot ang kamay. Ang layo kaya ng market. Auntie, you come over here. Don't near to the road. Ay, to the one. Did you press it? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Your shoes is very nice. Very nice for walking. And then we cross here. We cross here. Later, ayan. Auntie, what are you? Yan, ang Chongbaro. Cross the road? Yeah, we cross here. Come. Give me your hand, Later, we go over there, we sit the bus. So, you're not tired. This way, we go this way. Yeah, you go first. Is it you're tired already? Really? Don't complain it, huh? Don't complain when you reach home. After that, later you want to go to lunch with sir, then you cannot walk already. Because near in Great Wall, the one you go and eat the Roti Plata. Yeah, no, nearby. Go straight, just go straight. You know how long I never come here in the market, this Chongbaro, year already, because since I never buy the vegetarian chicken already. for grandma. So I never come already here. I came here because of the vegetarian for Popo. Yeah, you got this. You go straight. You go, no. Here, you, yeah. Yeah, this way. And then if no car already, we can cross. Come, we can cross already. Come, no car. Ayan. Here, we're going to Chongbaro Market. More than 1 year already, auntie, that I never come here. More than 1 year. It's not only more than 1 year, I think I have 2 years already. Because Popo is already 5 years laid down. You know, you come here, you came here that shaking. But Popo is not shaking the hand.
Oh no.
No. Only all the, but now it's not moving. We stopped the medicine already for Parkinson. Go. Because no use already when we keep feeding the medicine for Parkinson is never move at all already. And then very expensive every time we go and take the medicine, $700, you know. For 2 months. For 2 months medicated that one. You know, I'm sweating. Yeah. Now you regret to come and follow me. You regret to come and follow me, right? I tell you already, very far. But you say, no, I want to walk. But it's good for you, exercise. Can exercise your legs. Para makapag-video, guys. Go for the challenge. Ay. Shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Ang layo ng linakad namin, guys. Parang kung sumakay ka ng bus, 4 na bus stop.
Yesterday I go to Marina Bay.
Oh, did you take a picture?
No, I don't.
If I know that you go there, then I asking you to take picture.
Oh, shopping.
You go to the you go to the shopping mall. You don't go to the garden. But no, every year different, auntie. A lot differences. Especially when you go to the dome inside aircon. You know here in Chongbaro. You must pay. I remember when I go in there, we pay, I don't know, $10. But very nice, worth it. Only you tired when you walk around because many places to go. You know, here in Chongbaro, like they never clean the road one. Yeah, you see? Our place there one very clean. Ay. Sorry. Here is like they never clean, like Malaysia. Like Malaysia, no? See the house also, the building is not so high. Yes, of course, my first employer. Last time my first employer, I stayed there for 8 years. And every weekend we go to Mua. And I've been also in Malacca, Penang, KL. Here, auntie, cross here. We reach already market. Wow, very far. It's not nice the buildings here. Huh?
I don't like high voltage, very dangerous.
Yeah, me too. Come here. Auntie here. Huh? You tired already, la. That's why, la. You want to follow me. Oy, auntie. You can't because we're not same way to go. Later, we hit bus. Yeah.
Oh, you have a friend, okay.
Yeah, now you regret it. Now, we here already in the market. We here already in the market. You know, I came only here because of the... No, here, auntie. Because of the prawn. But it's not much. I came only here because of the prawns, you know. Ayan ang Chongbaro Market. Fish. Ala, yung sotong ang lalaki. No, wait first, I see first. It's very big. Okay, this one, all the prawn. I see this, but $10 only.
Okay, what? Just buy one.
Hello. How much this, uncle?
$10.
$10? But little bit only.
One small. Only one.
No, let me choose it. How many? $10.
Simple na, simple konti lo.
Discount ko konti lang guys yung ano, yung isang plate nila. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ah! $1 ang isang ano piraso.
Ay, isa nga, magkano ini. $10, simple.
Oh, this is stupid auntie. Where he go already? Wait, uncle. Where's the auntie already? Go and left me already. Ay, ang hirap pumili guys. Ito yung isda nila, oh. Wait lang. Yan ang pizza. Dito ako bumibili ng ano, ng isda baba. Ay, andyan ang bangus.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you.
How much this, uncle?
$12. 1 kilo, $12.
1 kilo? $12? Ay, mas mura. Yun ano. Mas mura. Sa'yo yun? Binili mo. Uncle, can you give me the plate?
How much the bangus?
$4 one.
How much?
Ano, 3 for 10?
Wala na. Ayan po, oh. Naglalag. Ay, yung ulo, tinatanggal ko naman. Yung lang katawan, hayaan mo na. Tinatanggal naman yung ulo. Yan, oh. Ito na lang ako. Para mabilis. Yan yung binibili ko. Ayan. Magkano ba daw ang isa? 4. Wait, doon sa palengke kasi naklusan, ang mura-mura doon, ang laki-laki, $4 lang. Sa View Crescent. Doon sa amin, napunta ko dito, napakalayo. Oo, ang layo. Linakad namin ng auntie sumama kasi pasaway. Magbus na lang kami. Dahil lang dito kasi na-close doon. Kaya pumunta ako dito.
This one,
Yeah.
Okay, 1 kilo, okay. No problem.
And then the bangus is
Okay, give me for you, you don't take. One.
He doesn't want you to choose.
Two.
Ayaw niyang magpapili. Siya lang ang pipili.
Give me for you. Okay, no problem. Okay, good.
Yan ang market.
Okay.
Ako rin, bibili ako ng akin. Dito po ang market. How much salt?
4.
$10 the milk piece, and then the
30. 3 kilo.
the small piece is $8, right?
$8.
Yeah.
This 22. $8. Very good.
Yeah.
1, 2, 20.
We are waiting bus here in Tongvaro. Yan kami galing sa market. Now we are waiting bus. Ayan ang aking kasama, napagod na daw. You can go and sit there. You can go and sit. You can go and sit there.
I sit down by bus. I cannot go out of the bus.
Pumulupot sa akin. Ayan, ang chomba. Diyan kami galing. Diyan kami galing ng market dyan sa loob. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. Shout out sa aking mga kapatid dyan na Planet Soul. Sa Gift Squad. Shout out. Thank you so much, Nanay Mabel, for accepting me. Nandito kami na nag-aantay ng bus pa uwi na. Layo-layo kasi sa amin. Hindi na makalagas tong kasama ko. Ayan na. Bus. Dito na kami sa bus. Hindi na siya makalakad kaya sinakay ko na sa bus. Kung ako lang maglalakad ako para may exercise ako. Walang katao-tao sa loob ng bus. Yan is standing position. Video, so I have a remembrance. Yala, because I nearly go home, don't come back already. It finished my daughter.
Next year.
Not yet lah, not yet. Not so fast lah. Maybe 2 years more.
120, 125.
No, it's my passport want to expired already, then I go home. No, it depends. It depends because if Popo is still there, then I can work lang. But because Mom told me when if Popo gone, she go back to Australia, then I no more job. So I need to. Ayan, don't shake it. So I no more job.
When get down, you miss the plane after that. Walk.
Huh? No, we turn first. It's still far.
Then you come and look after my mom.
New Zealand. I cannot go New Zealand, auntie.
The doctor for 6 months. No lah. My papa very heavy.
Yeah, your mother very heavy, very fat. I cannot carry. So only lang going to rain, auntie. You see? There lang. Going to rain. It's my umbrella. I don't know if I lost it. Yan, we turn here, Chong Bahru Park. We turn here in two more bus stop, then we stop already. See? You regret to come? No, because that one is your good exercise. Then you can sit the bus when you go back. Ayan guys, shout out kay Sis Marita Espancito, shout out kay Sis Stella, shout out kay Tito Jun, Kuya Jerry, Guaporagon, yan. Ang aking anak, sa aking mga supporter, shout out sa inyong lahat. Nandito kami sa Basang Ingay-Ingay. Shout out sa mga Mutyanon vlogger, and shout out sa aking nanay mo Fitness. Ayan, sa lahat po ng aking mga kapatid sa Planet Sower, shout out. Thank you so much for accepting me. Sana akong kabilang dyan. Go for the channel. Ayan, Chong Bahru Road. Iikot na yan. Ayan na. Iikot na. Ayan, the bus stop. Ang galaw. Bahala siya na sumunod sa likuran ko. Kasi ang bagal niyang maglakad. Sumama-sama pa kasi. Hindi na nga nakakalakad. Yung tuloy, sinakay ko sa bus. Kung hindi ko sana siya kasama, ang lawak ng exercise ko kasi napakalayo yung pinuntahan namin guys. Sarado kasi yung pinagmamarketan ko kasi 3 months daw na renovating. So wala. Napunta ako doon kasi doon ang palengke na binagbibilan ng mga isda, karne. And ang inano ko doon is yung hipon na gagawin kong chili sambal tonight sa party. At bumili rin ako ng bangus ko at 3 bangus $3 ay $10. So yun yung kakainin ko while nawala ang amo ko for 1 month. Di ako nakabili ng mga ulam ko na gulay kasi super mahal ang gulay doon na market. Diyos ko Lord. Sigurado na maghihimutok na naman siya, mag-question na naman siya kung bibili ako doon ng food ko kasi nga, di ba hindi siya kakain for 1 month na uwi sa Australia. And then, alam nyo naman guys, lagi kong sinasabi sa vlog ko na kuripot ang amo ko about my food. So, I need to, mag-budget na naman. Pero, ang ginamit ko na pinambili ng isda is yung sarili kong pera. Para lang makaitikim ako ng isda. Ayan. Ito yung linalakad ko pag nagpupunta ako sa, yung back ng road na linalakad ko pag going market. 2-way kasi itong pag pumupunta ko ng market. So, ito kami behind, hindi sa harap dumaan. Baliktad. Kaya itong kasama ko, nagtatanong siya kung saan daw kami, bakit iba daw yung way. Hindi niya alam ito kasi nga hindi naman siya taga rito sa Singapore. Bisita lang siya. Buti na lang uuwi siya sa after na aalis nila ng amo ko ng umaga, alas 8 dito ng Sunday. Aalis rin siya, pupunta rin ng Malaysia sa mga pinsan niya. Ha? No lang. Then we reach some 12 o'clock. If we still walking, come back. Then you cannot walk already. You complaining already, then you see, when around in the market, you sit down all the way. How can you walk back if I never give you seat bus? Don't be lazy to exercise so your leg can move. You see what happened to Popo? No exercise when she's strong. Now see how many years like that lay down at the bed the whole night. Yan. Dito na. Patayin ko na.
Alright, yes baby. Right. Magandang tanghali po sa iyong lahat. So, ako yung mag-vlog para sa channel ni Ate Len Official. Sana po ay supportahan nyo si Ate Len Official. At ngayon, araw na to ay nandito tayo sa kubo ni Alas ni Perez. At nandito ito yung sa loob sa kubo ni Alas ni Perez. Napakaganda talaga. Maliit lang siya pero napakaliwalas sa loob. At nandito si Alas. Ate Len Official. Oo nga.
Pag hindi ko unti-untiin, haba ng gusto, kaya tayo na unti para hindi mapuno ng damo.
Alright, nang tayo dito ng agaw ng eksina ba? Sa kubo.
Hindi na ako nag-vlog pag naglilinis kasi nasawa naman maglinis yung vlog ko.
Oo.
Ulit-ulit ako mag-vlog ka na. Kaya, pero syempre kasi hindi na vlog, naglilinis pa rin. Mag-vlog lang tayo na maglinis. Wala ang mangyayari. Magiging bukid lalo tong kubo natin. Hindi na maging malinis.
Oo nga, tama. At marami ring mga tanim si Alas no. Meron siyang malunggay. At
Pwede ka naman harvest ng Jerry.
oo, ha?
Pwede ka naman kulay yan.
Oh, pag next generation. Meron siyang anong tawag dito? Kanaka? Kanaka no?
Naka, gabi. Si Cute Lola ang nagtanim niyan.
Ah, si Cute Lola. Shout out kay Cute Lola.
Si Cute Lola. Dito sa tayo.
Meron silang ano sa Tagalog ng tanglad.
Wala na dami na nagtawala dyan.
Meron tanglad.
Kaya ano na, i-canvas na
O kailangan talaga sa mga sa mga litson-litson. Ito yung pampalasa, tanglad. At shout out sa bahay ni Ma'am Joking. Yan. maliit din pero maganda yung ano niya, forma ba. Yan o. At sa kabila naman, yun ang bahay ni Torn James.
Kumoy trabaho ron ni Roy?
Yan, naka-steady lang yung bahay ni Torn James. Napuntahan ko na to yung sa vlog ni Boy Tripping. At ako naman ngayon mag-vlog para kay Ate Len. Shout out! Bigoy! Shout out! Alright mga kapatid, ito yung sarap sa kubo ni Nasty Perez. Yan, maraming tanim, nakakasilaw na tanim kasi ang init. Meron siyang kamanting, ano kamanting? Kamanting na yun? Kamuting kahoy, nandyan sa harap sa gilid ng daanan, no? Sa may kalsada. Merong saging. Oo, may bunga pala. Merong bawing, ano sa Tagalog bawing? Last, ano yung bawing? At dito naman namumunga na yung isang saging na nasa upuan. Ano, nako. Napakasarap nito. Anong klaseng saging to? Lakatan. Ito pala ang lakatan, mga kapatid. At yung isa malapit nang mahinog. Malapit nang makakain si Alas. Yun. At ito naman yung DIY ni Kabungot. May balon at marami siyang itik. Ano ba yung itik? At dito naman maraming gulay, kamuti. So yan yung bahay ni Jokes MTV. So let's go, puntahan natin, pa-shoutoutan din sila sa vlog ni Ate Len. Yan siya. Shout out kay Ate Len. Ito na yung ano mo, request.
Shout out pala kay Maring Lin. Ayan, ingat ka dyan sa
Gmar yung kasama niya. At yung anak ni yung Sarah QTV.
shout out.